millennia, humanity has looked to the skies, seeing patterns, predicting seasons, and charting voyages. But beyond the familiar storms and sunsets lies a realm of phenomena so rare, so fleeting, that they challenge our very understanding of what's possible. These aren't just anomalies, they are nature's secrets, brief glimpses behind the veil of the mundane, revealing the extraordinary forces constantly at play above us. We journey now into this hidden world, where the improbable becomes reality, and the sky itself transforms into a canvas of the truly bizarre. Imagine a summer evening, a storm rages, and suddenly, a glowing orb of light drifts through your living room. This was the terrifying reality for many unsuspecting observers, including Eleanor Vance, a schoolteacher in rural England during the summer of 1963. Ball lightning, a spherical, luminous object ranging from pea-size to several meters in diameter, remains one of the most enigmatic atmospheric electrical phenomena. It often appears during thunderstorms, moving erratically, sometimes passing through solid objects, before vanishing silently or with a bang. Despite countless eyewitness accounts, its precise formation and nature are still largely a mystery to science, making every observation a priceless piece of an unsolved puzzle. From the terrifying to the transcendent, our next phenomenon paints the sky with ethereal hues. Known scientifically as circumhorizontal arcs, or more poetically, fire rainbows, these vibrant, pastel-colored arcs appear parallel to the horizon, resembling a rainbow-colored flame in the clouds. These stunning displays are not true rainbows, but rather a type of halo caused by sunlight refracting through plate-shaped ice crystals suspended in high-altitude cirrus clouds. The sun must be very high in the sky, at least 58 degrees above the horizon, for the light to hit the crystals at the perfect angle. This rare alignment of conditions transforms ordinary ice into a breathtaking spectacle of light. Across the vast, flat plains of the Gulf of Carpentaria in northern Australia, a breathtaking and almost unbelievable sight emerges each spring, the morning glory cloud. These enormous, low-lying roll clouds can stretch for up to 1,000 kilometers, moving across the landscape at speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour. For decades, intrepid aviators like Russell Crowe, a veteran Australian glider pilot, have specifically sought out these rare formations, using the powerful updrafts along their leading edge for thrilling flights. Their formation is attributed to specific meteorological conditions, including sea breezes and mesoscale frontal systems, creating a soliton wave that propagates across the sky, undisturbed for hundreds of miles. In Venezuela, where the Catatumbo River meets Lake Maracaibo, an extraordinary phenomenon unfolds almost nightly, the Catatumbo lightning. This is not just a frequent thunderstorm, it is a nearly continuous electrical storm, illuminating the night sky with flashes sometimes occurring 280 times an hour, up to 10 hours a day, for 140 to 160 nights a year. Local communities have revered this perpetual storm for centuries, weaving it into their folklore, while researchers like Dr. Elena Rodriguez meticulously document its patterns. The unique geography of the region, with its warm, humid air from the lake meeting cold air descending from the Andes, creates the perfect convection cell for this incredible, unceasing lightning display. Throughout history, accounts of blood rain have terrorized and baffled communities, sparking fears of divine retribution or otherworldly invasions. Imagine stepping outside to find the very rain itself stained crimson, as if the sky was weeping blood. Historians have recorded such eerie deluges for millennia, until modern meteorology, aided by microbiologists like Dr. Eris Thorne, offered a scientific explanation. This unsettling phenomenon occurs when rain mixes with high concentrations of reddish dust, sand, or even microorganisms, picked up by strong winds from deserts like the Sahara or from distant volcanic eruptions. When these particles are heavy enough, they fall to earth with the precipitation, giving the rain its horrifying, blood-like hue. Far above the usual storm clouds, in the mesosphere and lower ionosphere, a fleeting and spectacular electrical discharge known as a red sprite silently dances. These luminous, reddish-orange bursts are not lightning in the traditional sense, but transient luminous events, TLEs, triggered by powerful positive lightning strikes between clouds and the ground. It wasn't until the 1980s that high-altitude cameras, operated by pioneering atmospheric scientists like Professor Mark Stevens, finally captured definitive proof of their existence. Appearing as vertical pillars, tendrils, or even jellyfish-like shapes, sprites last only milliseconds, making them incredibly difficult to observe and study, yet adding another layer to the complex electrical ballet of our atmosphere. From fiery arcs to glowing orbs, and from perpetual storms to dancers in the upper atmosphere, these rare weather phenomena serve as powerful reminders of Earth's complex and often mysterious natural processes. Each one challenges our perceptions, pushes the boundaries of scientific understanding, and ignites a sense of wonder. As technology advances, allowing us to peer deeper into the atmosphere and observe these events with greater clarity, new discoveries are always on the horizon. The sky above us is not just a backdrop, it is a dynamic, ever-changing stage for some of the most spectacular and least understood wonders of our planet. The mysteries continue, inviting us to keep looking up.